Hi, in this video I will show you how to some of the problems for Seco Vienna boilers, and also I want to show you this other model, which you can see here says Chibo, but inside is the same machine like Seco Vienna. And they use the same boilers and many other parts. Obviously outside look is different, as you can see, and let's talk about the drip tray is different and other things, but some of the parts are the same, like the brewing group. If you can see, let me show you the other one. In Vienna, it's the same. The only difference between these two brew groups are the length of this pipe, okay? Because you can see this machine is more big in front, so the brew groups are identical, but only this piece here is different. And if you can see here, this lid is transparent and I can put it on Seco Vienna. Here you have you can see the quantity of the coffee you can regulate. Here on the Vienna you can't, but it's the same. I can put it like this, okay, and it's the same. The water tanks are different, and now I will show you inside the machine. What is the big problem with this machine is as you can see, this type of boiler is it's the very old, and Seco don't make this boiler anymore. The newer models have a J boiler inside, not this one. And what is the problem with this boiler? Basically, it can stop working the heating elements on this boiler, or I will show you on the other machine, just for a second. Now it's starting to get colder, and when if you can see here how it's forget the machine on some cold place, and the boiler crack, and you have to replace it. Let me show you. Here you can see the crack, the ice, the water freeze inside the boiler and destroy actually the boiler. And the other big problem with these boilers are, as you can see here, I have one outside of the machine. When you descale the boiler and use the chemical to remove the limestone, this chemical react with the aluminum, and you can see when you use many times the descaling solution, you can see there is a hole inside the boiler, and of course you have to replace the boiler with the new one. The problem is you can find this boiler new, but it's very expensive, and I will show you in other videos how to replace this boiler with other types of boilers, and to be not so expensive for you to replace this boiler, because this machine is very good, very well made, but the parts are expensive, and this is the main problems with your Seco Vienna boilers. And I will make a few videos in the future how to replace the boiler and how to replace it with other types of boilers. So this is for now. Bye.